My name is Darpan and our firm name is Alpaks Kids World. We are manufacturers of wooden teaching aids, play material and furniture for preschools. And this company was started by my mom around 23 years back. And she started with a single product, artificial clay. And slowly she started expanding and then set up a factory in Alip industrial area in Kukatpalli. And we manufacture all wooden teaching aids. For example, this is one of our unique product which is called the wall gear. Here the children can move gears and then remove each of them and make different patterns. So this increases their thinking ability. They can create different shapes and patterns. This product is something new which we are launching in this exhibition. This is giant xylophone. This is something unique which we have created, the building block table. We have building blocks. The children can make different patterns out of it. Also learn alphabet and numbers at the same time.
So, sir, just now you have given me a glimpse of what are the products you have.
Yes.
So, how do you think this kind of product or this kind of concept would really empower the future generation of young learners? Because this is, I think, primarily for the preschoolers.
That's right. We have products primarily for preschools. So the traditional way of teaching in schools is slowly decreasing, where the teacher writes A, B, C, D on the blackboard and then the children repeat after her. Now it's more of fun way of learning different concepts, different alphabets. For example, I have just shown you this building block table where the children learn alphabet. Similarly, we have around 20 different concepts, 20 different ways that the teacher can teach the alphabet to the student. Okay. So for example, you see this light table over here. We have an option of putting sand over this and the children trace the alphabet over it. Wow. So because of the rough surface of the sand, it becomes easier for the child to remember. Right. So concepts like these are really important and required in schools, where they have new and different methods to teach the same concepts. The children learn faster this way.
That's great. That's really inspiring to know. So, I'm genuinely I'm getting a doubt. These are something new, right?
That's right.
So, if being an educationist, being a teacher or principal of a school, or even a parent, how do I begin? Because I'm sure, being a first timer, I need to basically understand, how to operate it, or how it functions. What basically the concept behind. So, if someone wants to go about that, where do they begin and how do they connect with you?
So we specialize in not only selling equipment, but we also create new equipment and then explain the concept behind it while giving it or promoting the product. So we have our showroom in our factory in Pragati Nagar, Kukatpalli, where we have more than 3,000 products in display, all for educational purpose for preschools. So when you come to us, we explain you each and every product and the learning concept behind it, one by one. So that way you get to know what teaching method you can use for the products.
That's nice. So, finally, if you can share with our audience, your contact details, so that if someone wants to connect you online, they'll be able to do that.
Sure. We have a website, Alpaks Kids World, and we also have a YouTube channel where we keep posting our new and unique products. All our contact information is available on our website as well. And I would also like to introduce the founder of our company, Ms. Deepali Jawar, my mom.
Hi, good morning.
Ma'am. Very good morning.
Good morning. Yeah. I think Darpan has told everything about our products. One more thing I just wanted to add, that we are catering a few products for the special needs kids also. So people and schools will come just for the special need kids products. So as per their requirement, we are designing such kinds of products also. So that is the one thing I just wanted to add with all these things.
Very nice.
Yeah.
In fact, ma'am, I should say that firstly, like all the products look so yummy, so colorful, so bright. So by itself, we get some kind of enlightenment. Like wow, this is for the kids, the generation yet to come. So, ma'am, if I have to ask you, like, what would be your piece of advice for the parent, for the teachers, for the educationists, even for the kids? How should they adapt to the changes which are happening across the education fraternity? Yeah.
See, nowadays the schools are coming with the things that kids are using more of the gadgets rather than this physical activity. So they are requesting us to develop such kind of things that kids should avoid the gadgets and start playing with the products. So our designing team are more into that how can we attract the kids to do the play we learn in with our products. So that is our specialization, I can say. Yep.
And one question that I get instantaneously, like since most of the products are basically we feel it, we touch it, we learn it.
Yes.
So which is very much inclined towards the children, right? So and also the tiny total. And so how safe are they in terms of the playing stage? Yeah.
See, we are for the colors. What we are using are the non-toxic colors we are using, and there are a lot of things we are using for the safety of the kids. You can see the pencil corner, this kind of things. So this is specially for the kids in the rooms or somewhere corridor. We will use just to avoid the hit to the kids and everything. So these kind of the safety measure we are using while we making the products, any products. Yeah.
So, ma'am, say for example, being an educationist or a principal of a school, if I want to contact you and if I want to get this kind of products installed in my ambience, so how do I go about it? Will you be coming and will you be seeing the place and then install it there?
No, it's not like that. Actually, schools are coming to us, and whatever they need, they will pick up the things. If they need some, some fixing things, something like assistance, then we will send our person. It's not like for everything we are going, and normally our products are like that. They can use or the basic carpenter skill needs for just fixing the things. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for your insights. That was really inspiring to know, and I wish you good luck, ma'am. Thank you so much.